Yes.
Oh. Today we will talk about the alternative energy. Please concentrate on our presentation. Look at these pictures. The pictures represent the excessive use of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are important in our lives, but because of the excessive use of fossil fuels, our environment polluted a lot. Look at this picture. Oh, how terrible. And also our world is getting warm because of the use of fossil fuels. So, for these reasons, it is necessary to shift to alternative energy in future in order to maintain a sustainable ecosystem.
Geothermal energy is an exciting new area. Geothermal energy draw heat from the flame core. Thermal power station is set up which absorb energy in the flame. The heat will break and to evaporate to turbine producing electricity. This technology is feasible because thermal heat is free and the only cost is station. However, the location where geothermal energy is easily available are limited and changed based on tectonic movement and the arrangement of the surface and the environment, the Earth. Geothermal is renewable and does not pollute. And there are places in many parts of the world that are seeking geothermal energy. Geothermal is very suited for cooling and heating. In which pipes placed underground and a liquid circulates from them, so that heat from the ground comes up during cold time and cold from the ground comes up during hot time. Geothermal heating is becoming very popular and is cost effective to oil and gas home heating. Next is hydrogen fuel cell. A hydrogen fuel cell is a device that is being developed which will run a car using only hydrogen as fuel. The exhaust from car is one of the chief factors in air pollution. This technology will be enable a car that have no exhaust. This technology involves a chemical reaction with hydrogen and oxygen that produce electricity with water as the only waste product. Many companies involved in the research and development of hydrogen fuel cell, and this will be a very hot area in the near future. The only problem is that there is cost to produce the hydrogen used as fuel. Next is green building. Green building consists of erecting buildings that are environment sound and energy efficient. This can be done through the better heating insulator and more efficient electrical appliances such as fluorescent lighting and other structural elements. Look at these pictures. Green building is environment friendly and it also saves money because It reduces energy consumption. Green building can contribute to reducing pollution and saving environment.
Which can be harnessed through the use of solar power panels, which are also called photovoltaic cells. Sunlight is easy to harness and free, but it can be difficult to harness solar power for large-scale power plants. Solar power is attractive because sunlight is harnessed and free, and the only cost involved is the cost of solar power panels. Solar is also very environmentally friendly. It produces no pollution and waste byproducts, and it is therefore essential for a greener future. Solar is most commonly used for on-site local electricity production by adding solar panels to the roof of the home or commercial buildings. It is often used consumers who want to help the environment, and also plays a vital role in the future alternative energy. And three common solar power technologies are thin film, silicon, and solar thermal. Wind power is an attractive field. Wind technology has grown up in scope and in various places. Wind is becoming a feasible source of energy. Wind is vulnerable to weather conditions, but in certain locations, for example, coastal offshore areas and at high altitudes, there is a steady stream of wind. Wind power is harnessed through the use of the wind turbines, which are turned by the wind to produce electricity. Another interesting alternative energy is biomass energy. Biomass is a term for any kind of organic biological matter that can be converted into energy. Biomass technology is being created that will enable them, for example, from the cows or pigs, to convert it into energy. The transformation of these common substances, which would otherwise end up as waste, but converted into energy. Biomass is usually either plant matter from either crops or forest waste or paper waste. The subsection of biomass is biogas, natural gas produced from the biomass technology. In summarized, we mentioned alternative energy. For example, solar energy, biomass energy, wind energy, green building, hydrogen fuel cell, geothermal energy.
A successful deal must strike the world's ability to cope with an already changing climate. Support for adaptation is not only an ethical imperative, it is smart investment in a more stable, secure world. The UN General Secretary Ban Ki-moon once said in last speech, global warming and environment pollution is rapidly generated. So these are not future, but it's not future, but present. In this situation, all over the world is paying attention to alternative energy. In the future, no matter what job, you must relate the environment problem. So this presentation slightly will be help you as an engineer. Thank you for listening to our presentation.